In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp call connecting problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp app if available any update version. Now search for 1.1.1.vpn, install it. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear cache, tap on permission, allow all permission one by one. Now open VPN app. Next, accept, install VPN profile. Okay, not now. Tap on connect. Now open WhatsApp. Now call someone. Now tap on call, voice call. Call. Call connecting problem solved.